I have to be honest that in the beginning, our party was mostly negative. No, not myself, because I voted for form and substance. No, but most of the party was negative. Today, I think the majority is in favor of sending this to the Senate. We have a hardcore that is still negative to the proposal. There is a middle ground of some people who want to abstain. But the last conversation we had yesterday at our meeting was that we would all go back to our constituents and have one more round of conversations with them to see how we would vote finally on this matter. And we will probably meet before the vote count, I think on Monday. And then we will see what the final vote will be. But right now, the situation in NUP is, I think there's a majority that are favoring the sending of these articles of impeachment to the Senate.
Sir, maybe ask yung majority po na yun. Is it 2/3, 1/2?
Of our 55 members, siguro mga, I would say maybe 60%. A little over half.